And of course, this is no new slide for those of you who are regularly on the webinar. Price is still a function of supply and demand that is modified by the flow of money. And that really has a big impact on the markets. We've shown through some previous presentations the impact that it does have on final prices for corn, soybeans, and wheat. And so we want to look at what is the context in which this crop report comes. First of all, the dollar, and this is a weekly chart you're looking at here. Of course, we're particularly looking at what's been happening here in 2017. This is, here again, each one of these bars is 1 week. And after hitting our high, our peak, 13-year highs in the dollar index on the first trading day of January, I believe it was, we've been trending lower ever since. And this trend is still in place. Now, we bounced the last couple of days. Particularly today, we were bouncing once again, mostly due to weakness in the euro. Oops, go back. Okay, but we're still in this broader channel. You see here on the right-hand side, trending lower. Will we go all the way down to this longer-term level of support? That is yet to be determined. We could bounce here at any point. You can see here I didn't measure it, but we've essentially, it looks like we're maybe a little bit past the 50% retracement level. I guess if you go all the way down to this point, measuring up to there, we're probably getting close to that 50% retracement level. So we're going to watch this dollar here carefully, but right now it's still in that downtrend, and whenever it gets to the bottom, then it bounces back up toward the top, and then it sells off down, makes new lows. So we're watching this very carefully. Long term, that's because whenever the dollar is moving higher, we tend to see money come out of the commodity complex. When the dollar is going lower, we tend to see money go into the commodity complex. That's the historical pattern. Really, since much of 2017, they've been trading together, and that's an unusual pattern for them to trade. I'm anticipating that we're going to go back toward a more historical pattern at some point, but when is the question that's still to be determined. So we're keeping our eye on it.